Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final golden ticket assembly of this half term. Yes, we break up today at 3:15, ready for our half term to have a week off before we return after our wonderful holiday. So these amazing children have earned themselves golden tickets this morning. You can see it's Friday, the 11th of February 2022, and we're here for nursery reception, year 1, year 2, and the SRB. See some amazing children. You're not going to see a lot of me again this morning. You're just going to see the amazing children and the things that are written about them. We're going to start off this morning in nursery. In nursery, this child loves reading and works hard at home and in school. He is becoming more confident in group activities and is a great friend. Fantastic. And this child is always busy playing with her friends. She listens well and is keen to join in activities and do her best. Really is amazing for these two golden ticket winners in nursery. It is Brody and Malia. Brody, Malia, you superstars. Really well done, you two. Absolutely amazing. Lovely, lovely smiles there. Look at Brody there as well, reading away about dinosaurs as well. Super work, guys. Well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today, you superstars. Really well done. On to reception, and Miss McTavish says this person has won the golden ticket as they've been working exceptionally hard in phonics and maths. It's been wonderful to see their confidence grow, and we look forward to seeing it grow even more, especially after half term. Golden ticket goes to Maria. Well done, Maria. You absolute superstar. Huge congratulations. Well done. Just keep believing in yourself, hon. Keep working hard. Keep working hard on your maths and your phonics. Keep doing that. Keep that up over half term as well. Mr. Allen's got a bit of a message about that at the end of assembly as well. So well done, Maria. Congratulations on winning your golden ticket. Miss Ruffle says this child has grown and developed so much since the beginning of reception. He's working very hard at home as well, and as he is in school, particularly on his phonics. Amazing. He's learned the importance of not giving up and now keeps trying, even when he finds a task tricky. Keep up the good work. Here he is. Zachariah, look at that. You star worker. You certainly are, but you've got the golden ticket as well. Zachariah, really proud of you, buddy. Massive smile. Well done. Massive smile for Mr. Allen as well. Keep up that amazing work and keep working really hard at home as well over this half term. Keep up with the reading and your phonics, buddy. So well done. Year 1, Miss Marshall says, this child has been working so hard all year. Oh, amazing. They're one of the first to show me that they're thinking hard, are always ready with an answer, and are making progress in all areas. We can ask for no more. We really can't. Well done to none other than Alfie James. Well done, Alfie James. You absolute superstar, working so hard. Really well-deserved golden ticket. Fantastic rhino there as well. Look at you, all ready to learning, all wiser, and a massive smile as well. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today, you superstar. Mr. Ackerman says this child has been working really hard recently and has been trying their best with all of their learning. This child works with a smile on their face, and it's been lovely watching this child grow in confidence and give things a real go. Fantastic. This child is kind, caring, and is a brilliant friend to all members of the class. They certainly are. Golden ticket goes none other than Charlie. Well done, Charlie. You absolute superstar. Massive smile there. Massive smile from Mr. Allen as well. Thank you for being so amazing and so lovely to all the other children as well. You absolute superstar. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today, you superstar. Well done. On to Miss Begum in year 2. This child has been reading lots at home, which has made a big difference in their phonics work and writing. They're caring and kind to others. They really are. They're the most caring and kind as well. Golden ticket goes to Scarlett. Well done, Scarlett. You absolute superstar. Keep up that reading over half term as well. Mr. Allen's got a bit of a message at the end of assembly as well, but really well done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you, and I know Stephen's going to be really proud of you, so really well done. Miss Hall says this child has worked hard on her teamwork skills this week. Really amazing. She's also written some beautiful writing in English. She really has, because we're going to get to see a bit as well. Great work goes to Marcy. Look at that amazing English. Look at that writing. Oh, Marcy, and then concentrate on your maths as well. Look at that. Really well done, Marcy. Huge congratulations. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer as well now, so just keep up and keep working as hard as you possibly can. You superstar. Finally, in the SRB, Mr. Hardman says, the winner this week always has a smile on their face. They try their best in everything they do, even when they find it difficult. They're a great friend to all to all the other children in the class as well. They've been reading lots this term, they certainly have, and getting much better at their phonics. So much reading. In fact, I had to return their reading record, which they completed. I've given them 10 house points just this week. Bit of a clue there. The golden ticket goes to Sapphire. Well done, Sapphire. Always trying lots and lots of reading. Keep that up over half term, please, hon. Really, really amazing. Thanks for being such a great friend to everyone in the SRB as well. Huge congratulations. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer in the SRB now. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home with you today as well. You superstar. Weren't they all just amazing? Yes, a brilliant half term from everyone. That's all of you out there. Thank you so, so much, every single one of you. Even if you haven't won the golden ticket, thank you for trying your best to try and get that. And don't worry, there'll be many more to win after half term as well, up to Easter as well. So thank you, all of you. And thank you again at home, mums, dads, aunties, uncles, grandparents, who've been listening to children read, helping them with their times tables, helping with their sounds, with their spelling, whatever that is at home that you're helping children with. Thank you so much. And just keep up reading, guys, over half term as well. It has been a brilliant 6 weeks. So let's keep it going through. And then after half term as well, when we get back all the way up to Easter as well. So thank you, everyone. In this next week, you can see just 3 things to say, look, read. So try and keep reading every day if you can, please. Keep reading, everyone, because we actually do love reading, but do keep up with your reading right the way through half term as well. So it'll be fantastic to see. Do some writing as well. Let's not stop writing, whether that's writing in maths or writing a little story, whatever it is, or writing letters, writing jokes, whatever that is. Let's do a fair bit of writing as well and keep practicing our writing as well. So reading and writing. And also just play lots of games. So turn those tellies off, turn those screens off. Let's try and do lots and lots of playing over half term as well. Getting lighter in the mornings, getting lighter in the evenings as well, so we'll be able to get outside more often as well. Let's just have a fantastic, fantastic half term off and a great restful week. We return, obviously, on Monday, the 21st of February. The gates will be open at 8:30 on Monday, the 21st of February. Until then, everyone, have a fantastic half term break, and we'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.